With the installation of the Firestone rubber cover membrane, generally the tools we'll be using would be rollers to apply the adhesive, the water-based adhesive, out onto the timber deck. Once you then lay the membrane into the adhesive, we'd use a soft brush to brush out over the membrane. This ensures 100% bond between the rubber membrane and the timber deck, ensuring we've got 100% contact into the adhesive. Generally, the contractors will use a pair of scissors for cutting the membrane. We will then also use what we call a penny roller and a 50mm silicone seam roller for doing dressing and detail work.